Martes na mga mare at pare! Happy and grateful. Yan ang nadarama ng the one and only King of Talk, Boy Abunda, sa kanyang muling pagpirma ng kontrata sa Kapuso Network. Present sa contract signing ni Tito Boy, sina GMA President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr., Senior Vice President for Entertainment Group Lilibet G. Razonable at iba pang Kapuso executives. May special message naman para sa kanya si Chairman of the Board at Advisor and Chairman ng Programming Committee Attorney Felipe L. Gozon. Chika ni Tito Boy, mula sa pagiging publicist, hindi niya in-expect na papasukin ang mundo ng telebisyon. Isa raw sa proudest moments ng kanyang career ang pagtatrabaho sa GMA Films. Sa ngayon, abala ang King of Talk para sa ikatlong taon ng kanyang programa na Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.
I'm grateful to have been given this chance and napatuloy kaming bahagi ng pakikipagkwentuhan sa nanay, tatay at kapuso na parati kong sinasabi. Maraming salamat din sa pagpapahiram ng 20 minutes araw-araw mula Lunes hanggang Biyernes. So, happy and grateful.
You embody what GMA Network stands for: credibility, integrity, and excellence. You manage to maintain your superior standard of professionalism and you stayed true to your values. Kaya nag-iisa ka lang, Boy. Nag-iisa lang ang Boy Abunda.
Boy is a ray of light. You know, in the changing world, di ba? Siya nanatiling tapat, that freshness, that integrity, kanyang mga binibigkas na salita, and the way he is with his interviewees and his co-workers is something that is encouraging. Sana lahat moving forward manatiling may ganun.